How to register on an undergraduate qualification with the Open University. Studying with the Open University is a big commitment. This video will show you that choosing your qualification can be done in just a few short steps. However, ensuring you've chosen the right qualification for you is vital. Start at open.ac.uk/courses. You can choose whether you want to study undergraduate or postgraduate. This video is going to focus on undergraduate qualification registration. Next, find a qualification related to your subject of interest. When you've selected your subject of interest, choose the type of qualification you want to study. We're going to look at degrees. Note how much study time is required and consider whether you can commit this amount of time. When you've selected your qualification, you'll be brought to its landing page. It's important that you read all of the information on this page, starting with details of the qualification, any entry requirements you may need to meet, fees and finance information, and careers information related to your qualification. If you've studied at university before, you could count your previous study towards your OU qualification. Find out more about credit transfer on our website. When you're ready, click Register Now, taking note of the closing date for registrations and also the deadline to apply for credit transfer, as this is earlier than the registration closing date. You'll be able to review your qualification, its start date, and when you need to complete your registration by. There are also links to further information and ways to contact us if you still have questions. If you're happy with your selection, click Start My Registration. Complete any missing details on the form, ensuring all mandatory fields are completed. Complete your final checks and click Submit. You're now registered on your qualification. You'll soon receive an email confirming your request to register on a qualification. You'll then receive a second email confirming your registration, along with your username and password for your student homepage, with instructions of how to log in. From here, you'll be able to choose your first module and confirm your payment method. For help with how to select your modules and pay for your studies, see our other useful videos.